Hi friends, welcome to Zoom in Data. In today's session, let us learn logical operator in Python. Yeah, let us know what is logical operator. A logical operator is a symbol or a keyword used to connect two or more conditions and produce a single Boolean result which can either be true or false. These operators are used to make decisions in programming based on the true condition values. Yeah, it involves and or not. Let us know what is and logical operator. In and logical operator, it returns true if both the conditions are true. Otherwise, it returns false. It considers two conditions. So, in two conditions, if the two conditions is true, it will returns true. Not it returns false. When it comes to or logical operator, it returns true if at least one of the conditions is true. Otherwise, it returns false. In all logical operator, it only consider one conditions, and the two conditions x and y or a or b. X and y in x and y conditions, it only considered to be one conditions to be true. It isn't considered two conditions should be only true. If in x and y, if x is true and y is false also, it will returns true. And not operator. When not logical operator defines reserves the truth value of a condition. If the condition is true, it will return false. If the condition is false, it returns true. Yeah, now we'll go to execute. Now let us execute and know the program. Yeah, let us execute and operator now. Before executing, I will show you a boolean set of and operator. We will be having in AND operator, we have A and B. In AND operator, as I explained, both the conditions are true means it returns true. If A is wrong and B is true, it returns as false only. It will consider both the conditions also. But in OR operator, if A condition is true but B condition is false, means it will return true. It will consider at least one conditions. It won't conditions two conditions also. It only consider one condition. In this condition, A or B, if A is true, it returns true. If B is false, it returns true. It only consider one conditions. When comes to not operator, it is vice versa, like written. If A is true, if A is lesser than 3, you should add as not operator like this. Yeah, you can see. 5 is greater than 3, but we are giving not. In this print, not A is greater than 3. Now it will return false only. See, because these are true conditions. Now, if we return lesser condition for this, like 5 is lesser than 3. This condition is false, but I'm using a not operator. It can be understandable like this. If not A is lesser than 3, if not 5 is lesser than 3. Now it returns true. Like this. It will return like vice versa to the conditions. Now let us execute and condition first. Now let us execute. A is 5. We have a greater sign. And in the condition, we have 3. In this condition, 5 is greater than 3. Yeah, it is true. A condition is true. Next, B. Let us write B also. B equals to 10. We have lesser sign. And the condition is 50. The value is 50. Now, A is 5 is greater than 3. 3. Yeah, A is true. When it comes to B, 10 is lesser than 15. Yeah, B also true. In this condition, both the condition is true. Now, if we run this, yeah, we will get true only. Because both the conditions are true. If we give lesser sign, A condition is false, B condition is true. But in AND operator, it considers both the condition also. So it will return out as false. You can see it returns as false. So, yeah, this is or logical operator. In this condition, we have A is equal to 5 and greater sign condition or a value is 10. When it comes to B operator or B condition, B is 20 and we have a lesser sign and the value is 25. We want to check on these conditions, right? Now, if we run this, it returns output as true only. In these conditions, A is not correct. Yeah. 5 is not greater than 10. 5 is lesser than 10. But we have a sign of greater sign. A condition is false. But B condition is true. 20 is lesser than 25. As I explained in OR operator. In both the condition, at least one condition is true means it will return as true only. If you run this, see, it returns true output. It doesn't consider both the conditions. Yeah, it's vice versa. Now A is equal to 10, print not A is lesser than 5. In this condition, it is vice versa to the value. A equals to 10, but we give a condition 5. It will return as A equals to 10 and give lesser sign 5. The condition is like this. 10 is not lesser than 5, but we gave a not condition, not operator. Yeah, if we only see this condition is false. Yeah, it will return false. But in not operator, we have given not operator. In this condition, it understand it gives condition as not 10 is lesser than 5. Yeah, not it is not a 10 is lesser than 5. So it will returns true if you won't give not operator means. Now it will returns false. As I said, it is vice versa to the conditions. It will returns opposite or vice versa to the conditions and returns the output. Yeah, thank you.